we're going to look at 2 future charts to start off your week. Now each week they're going to be on different time frames, and we're going to organize these charts. So it doesn't matter how you trade the content, it should be useful to most of you. We'll be back in just a moment. Now take the 15 seconds time to subscribe so you don't miss out on the future videos, and if you want us to keep doing these, go ahead and whack that thumbs up button. So first up, the ES 60-minute chart. It might be easy for you to assume that this is a double top here by looking at the 4-hour, but I'd argue that there's probably a better chance that we're actually in an upwards channel. See, these 2 lows on the ES, one is quite lower than the other. If we look at resistance, we would assume that one might be slightly higher than the other. Now, if we draw the double top across, you'll see that it already looks like we've gone far beyond the highs. Dropping down to the 60-minute chart, we can now see it could be in a channel. This would indicate a move up to about 29.50 if that channel holds and price continues. Now, obviously, the market's going to dictate what happens here, and we have to be really good at listening to it, but should that channel continue, we know that we're in a trending market with a possible point of where it could run out of steam. Now the second chart that we're going to look at is crude on the daily. Now for most, this is probably a super long time frame, but there really isn't anything wrong with looking at oil and trying to figure out where it's going to go long term, so that when you look at it on a smaller time frame, you can form a bias on where crude is going to go. So regardless if you trade the long term or not, you should be able to use this data. Also, if you have not watched our video on how to draw in support and resistance, learn the technique here, okay? And it will save you many headaches so that you're actually drawing it in right the best possible way. So we'll put in support, and I'm going to use these 2 highs as resistance, okay? That's going to give us a resistance level between 75 and 82. I'm going to then assume that we can continue this channel and connect all our lows and then connect all our highs within the channel. You should start to see a clear picture now on where price is going. If this channel continues, then we should put crude about $10 higher. Now you'll probably also notice that crude right now is in the middle of that channel, which is going to make it very hard or difficult to forecast over the next week where it's going to go. But use the longer term channel to help form where you think price will go and where you can buy into or sell if we get high enough. Now don't forget to check out all our other videos. There is lots to see. If you have any comment about anything that you saw in this video, I'd love to hear from you. So go ahead and tell me what you liked or what you want to see. Also, if you have any questions, I will be getting back to each and every one of you. So feel free to start typing those in below. So good luck with the week ahead. Stay safe, and we'll speak to you soon.